Reinhausen is arguably the best at LTC manufacturing. You are ubiquitous, you're everywhere. But what you all have to do, and what can the transformer equipment manufacturers do, or must they do, given this alternative fluid difference?
Yeah, what we have learned from our meetings with transformer manufacturers is that they also have their own, test setups which represent their real arrangements. So the winding, paper wrap windings, and these things, and for these arrangements they have set up test setups. And they test it with AC or with lightning impulse, and they are quite similar to that what we do. And so it would be a good idea to bring them all together and to come up with or to agree on simple and practical setups and methods, develop model arrangements which are practically usable and which represent real insulating arrangement. The standards we have now for dielectric strength, for breakdown voltage, the IEC 6156 and also for AC, and the also for lightning impulse, ASTM D3300 and so on, they are not sufficient because they only allow an estimate of the dielectric strength of the liquid, but not of the complete insulating arrangement.